Welcome everyone, it's Philip here. In today's video, I would like to talk a bit about the most important things that happened in the crypto world in recent days. But before we're gonna start, just bear in mind that everything you're gonna hear in this video is just my private opinion and it's not a financial advice. Okay then, so the current market cap is $171 billion and Bitcoin costs $5,292 and it's currently 0.6% up in last 24 hours. If we have a look on the top cryptocurrencies according to market cap, we can clearly see that in the last 7 days, most of the projects went down and the only project that is slightly up is Bitcoin. The biggest loser of this week is Tether that lost over 10%, nearly 11%. Also, Monero lost above 9% and EOS lost above 9%. Okay then, so let's start today's video from the world news. Thailand is opening up to crypto, one step closer to ICO and STO. Since July, Thailand and its Security and Exchange Commission have voiced their intent to legalize the local initial coin offering market and open it to startups. On December 1st, 2018, however, Cointelegraph reported that the Thai SEC declared Thai-related security token offerings in international market to be illegal and said that it will take appropriate legal action against companies that attempt to distribute STOs created in Thailand to overseas markets. Japan draws up cryptocurrency regulations manual for G20 leaders. Japan has prepared a manual of cryptocurrency regulation proposals that it will hand out to G20 leaders and international financial chiefs. The country will host both the G20 summit and G20 ministerial meetings on June 28th and 29th in Osaka, and as a host has the right to set much of the agenda for the talks. As previously reported, Tokyo is keen to bring cryptocurrency regulation to the table. Japanese ministers want global leaders to agree on a shared international framework for regulations. Also, Japan's Rakuten Bank now allows millions of its customers to buy crypto. Japanese e-commerce giant Rakuten, which was recently granted a license by Japanese Financial Service Authority to operate as a cryptocurrency exchange, on April 15th launched their account registration service for their new wallet, Rakuten Wallet. Rakuten is Japan's biggest e-commerce player and is considered to be Japan's Amazon. Rakuten would soon allow users to trade cryptocurrencies, and crypto enthusiasts have been excited about Rakuten accepting crypto payments on its platform, which operates in 29 countries. United States will sanction nations for importing Iranian oil. The Trump administration is poised to tell 5 nations, including allies, Japan, South Korea and Turkey, that they will no longer be exempt from US sanctions if they continue to import oil from Iran. In my opinion, this might be a good information for cryptocurrency investors, as Iran might start using cryptocurrencies to fight US sanctions. The annual inflation rate in Brazil increased to 4.58% in March 2019 from 3.89% in the previous month and above market expectations of 3.85%. It was the highest inflation rate since February 2017, mainly driven by cost of food and non-alcoholic beverages. As we all know, people that live in countries with high inflation like to use cryptocurrencies, so in my opinion, this might be a boost to cryptocurrencies. London's first Lightning Network bar is ready for business. The Rotate bar in London now accepts faster payments over the Lightning Network, and it's offering a 20% discount for any drinks bought over Lightning this month. The bar, which is currently an active hotspot for the crypto community in London, uses its links to partner with lightningpay.co.uk, a payment provider which offers custodial and non-custodial solutions. The bar's owner, Jamie Steele, said that they help us set up our payment solution and provide ongoing help when required. Now let's check what happened in the crypto world in recent days. You can now shop with Bitcoin on Amazon using Lightning. Bitcoin spenders can now use the Lightning Network to shop at e-commerce sites like Amazon. Crypto payment processing startup Moon announced today that any Lightning-enabled wallet can now also be used through Moon's browser extension. Before this Lightning feature, roughly 250 beta users already used Moon to spend crypto on e-commerce sites by connecting the browser extension to exchange accounts like Coinbase. The extension will pop up a QR code and it will have the Lightning invoice, which you can also copy and paste if you can't use the QR code for some reason, and you will be able to pay with your favorite Lightning wallet. On cryptoslay.com, we can find an article that says that Bitcoin is one of the best performing assets of 2019. Currently, Bitcoin is outperforming mainstream tradable assets including the Nasdaq, SP 500, real estate, oil, and gold. A few days ago, John Mcafee tweeted that he knows the real identity of Satoshi Nakamoto. In this whole entire comedy that Craig Wright made of him being Satoshi Nakamoto, I was really missing John Mcafee. So I am quite happy that he didn't disappoint me. Apparently, Samsung is planning new blockchain mainnet featuring Samsung Coin. South Korean electronics giant Samsung might end up developing a public-private blockchain with its own cryptocurrency token. The project, part of an undertaking by the company's dedicated blockchain division, would see a blockchain mainnet appear based on Ethereum. Also, on the other page, coindo.com, we can read that Samsung is already developing its own blockchain network. According to a recent report citing a person familiar with Samsung's internal situation, the company's blockchain division is already developing a blockchain mainnet based on Ethereum. The person also noted that the development process is still in its internal experimental stage. Few weeks ago, I've told you about IBM's blockchain, and now on CoinDesk we can find an article that says that Volkswagen will track mineral supply chains using IBM blockchain. Tether has printed another $300 million. Tether, the dollar-pledged stablecoin, has just printed out 300 million worth of USDT as demand for the cryptocurrency keeps growing. Some 800 million has been added to Tether's market cap since April 1st, sending it to an all-time high of 2.84 billion. Now let's talk a bit about cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance Dex, which stands for Decentralized Exchange, launches on its native blockchain, Binance Chain, to empower community growth and foster the industry's long-term vision of peer-to-peer trading. And that's how it currently looks like. So you can find Binance Dex on binance.org. Also, on the blog crypto.com, we can find an article that says that Binance brought in $78 million in profit in Q1 2019. And this is 66% more than in previous quarter. Gate.io raises $64 million to fund its own cryptocurrency. In my opinion, they are planning to launch its own initial exchange offering platform, and investors will be using this exchange coin to pay for the projects. Coinbase closes Chicago office and scales down work on matching engine. Major United States-based cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase shut down its Chicago office and scales down the development of its matching engine. Coinbase also laid off about 30 employees and will relocate some to the area of other office. Now, let's talk a bit about cryptocurrency projects. BNB, Binance Coin, runs on its own blockchain, so from now on, BNB is no longer an ERC20 token. As Binance and Binance Coin runs on its own blockchain, some companies might want to use their blockchain, same as some companies are using Ethereum's blockchain, and we can find information that the first project that will be using Binance's blockchain is called Mithril. So Mithril will be the first project to migrate to Binance chain. Brave rewards are now available on Android. Brave Rewards is now available in the latest version of Brave for Android. To download it, On your device, please visit the Google Play Store. 50% of Forbes billion-dollar firms use the Ethereum blockchain. A new article by Forbes shows that over 50% of Forbes billion-dollar firms are working with the Ethereum blockchain, including several high-profile technology firms. The list of companies include Amazon, Overstock, BNP Paribas, UBS, MetLife, Coinbase, Google, Microsoft, Comcast, Foxconn, Intel, and Samsung. And now, let's see the latest Bitcoin price predictions. As we can read on Bloomberg, first golden cross for Bitcoin in 3 years as bulls return. Bloomberg thinks that bull run is starting. Galaxy on Twitter thinks that Bitcoin will have pullback to around $4,600, $4,800 level. On Bitcoinist.com, we can find an article that says that we will see Bitcoin in $3,000 up to $6,500 level for a few more months. On Business Insider, we can read that Bitcoin bulls might have to wait 22 years for Bitcoin to reach its all-time high again. And B-Bills on Twitter thinks that from now on, we will have bull run. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more related cryptocurrency videos. Thanks once again and see ya in the next one. Bye.